Hi, this is Ashley Benson with ET Style, and I'm going to share with you my kid essentials. Traveling is very important. I have to always have a body wash that I like, funny enough. But I just started using the OLAY Foaming Whip Body Wash. It's incredible. I use it this morning in my shower. It feels like shaving cream, but then it turns to foam, and it's really nice, and it leaves me smelling really great. I always have coconut oil just to keep my face moisturized because my face gets dry. I never really knew how to do my own makeup. I've kind of recently just learned, to be honest. Being on set, I've always related that to makeup because I don't really wear much outside of work.
No, that's a mistake.
A good concealer, nice little glow bronzer, maybe a little good chapstick, eyebrow gel, 100%. Is that 5 things? And perfume. Oh, whew.